MaestroConference is pleased to announce our integration with Zappier. Zappier is a tool that lets you use data from one system and put it into another, in this case using MaestroConference data and putting it into a whole host of other systems. For example, your CRM systems, Salesforce, InfusionSoft, or HubSpot, or maybe your mail systems like Aweber, Constant Contact, or MailChimp, or maybe a whole host of other systems like Microsoft Database, Google Sheets, HipChat, or Slack. So what Zapier allows us to do is it allows us to take MaestroConference data and put it and use it in one of these other tools. And these are just some of the main examples. Zapier has a whole host of hundreds of other tools that you can use in order to combine MaestroConference data with a whole range of other kinds of options you can have. So let's look at some of the things you can do with Zapier and MaestroConference. First, let's see what we can do with Google Sheets. So this Zap is going to explore what happens when you have a new registrant with MaestroConference. So we're going to select MaestroConference and we're going to have a trigger event. Someone registers, maybe a new person attends, maybe someone doesn't attend, or maybe there's an opt-in. In this case, we're going to have a new registrant, and when that new registrant enters and registers for one of our conferences, it's going to create a row in Google Sheets. So what that'll look like is something like this, where you've got the name of the registrant, their PIN number, and their email address. And as more people register, you're going to see more names entered, more PINs, and more emails. This way you can easily keep track of who's registered, maybe send them follow-up emails or special messages that you've got for the event. Let's check out another Zap that we've got. This one is with InfusionSoft. And again, we've chosen MaestroConference as the tool we're using. And again, we've got the same triggers. We've got new attendees, new registrants, new non-attendees, and new opt-ins. Let's see what happens in InfusionSoft and some of the options available to us with that data. We can tag an existing customer, we can create or update or contact, or we can send them an email. We can also search for and find a new contact or find an invoice. So in this case, we're going to create and update a new contact. In this case, we've made a test account, MC Test, and we've kind of put in the email address. So this is what you would see. You would see a new account with MC Test, and you would see their email address. This would automatically be entered in InfusionSoft with any of the tags that you've decided to use, so that you would automatically be able to put that person into your CRM system. These are just some of the Zaps you can use with Zapier and MaestroConference, and here's to you using the data in more creative ways.